on a road, go do the thing now. Herbal laws, magical laws, yeah.
Choosing a herbal plant for a specific problem, sometimes can become confusing, especially when you understand or find out that there are so much different herb plants for the same problem. They are used for the same things. So it can become confusing. But when you buck up on a plant like rosemary, rosemary can aid with even confusion. So all of the confusion that you have about herb plants, when you meet up on a plant like rosemary, all your problem is being solved. Because if you have confusion, rosemary can solve confusion. Yeah, man. A plant that you can choose that can replicate other plants for the same situation. Yeah, man. Get your own rosemary plant today, and solve that confusion. Magical.